We need 4 eggs first. Here are the egg white. Beat it well and put it aside. And then we will be using our dried ingredients. What we are going to do is we will beat the butter with this sugar. Okay, you can use powdered sugar as well. If not, then you can just grind your whatever sugar you have. Make sure it is about 1/4 cup of sugar after it's grinded. And then we will beat it well and add the egg yolks. Okay, I'm using here 4 egg yolks like this. Okay, beat it nicely. Add 2 tablespoons of FNN susu pekat. You can add additional or you can just reduce. It depends on your taste, and really beat it really well. I will attach the ingredients list and you can quickly take a screenshot. Now we are actually going to add our dried ingredients. Make sure there are no clumps like this, okay? Make sure there are no clumps. Add little by little and mix really well. Can you see how we are doing? This is the first batch and we are going to add all the dried ingredients gradually. Okay? Campur sebati lah. Okay. At this point, you can add the zest, orange juice, and also the fresh milk. Finally, we are going to add the egg white lah. You can just add the eggs, okay? If you want to separate, it will taste more good lah because it will add the softness of the cake. But if you don't want to do, it's okay. There is no right or wrong as long as you want to eat it. Okay, it feels like edible, then chun lah, pass. Okay, if it's not edible, I'm sorry. Okay. The consistency should look like that, and we are going to preheat our oven. Yes, this is the oven we are using. Okay, just preheat it. Like that's how you preheat lah. Cover and make sure it's in a low flame. And this is the consistency of the batter. Apply a generous amount of butter in the container. Okay. And we will be adding our batter lah, so that it won't stick. Okay, it won't stick and it won't get burnt. Okay, make sure it is even. Yeah. This might look so complicated at first, and you might feel difficult when you're doing for the first couple of times, and obviously practice makes perfect, you know. Okay, this one, okay, why we are doing this is just to avoid air getting trapped in the batter. Okay, then we are going to place it in this. That's it. Okay, in 50 to 1 hour, 50 minutes lah, 50 minutes to 1 hour, our cake should be done. Okay, all you need to do is put something heavy on top of it. Yes, and that's it. Our yummy cake. Hope you love it. Okay, you can watch our chikuti recipe that I posted just a few days ago. And do subscribe to our channel for more recipe videos. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you. Take care.